Well, there we go, another day, another bodge. So we got the hammer spring there. I think that's made out of a paper clip or a staple or something. We've got a missing screw there. We turn it around. Another missing screw there. The reset finger there, which is this guy here, is bent upwards. It's meant to be straight, or reasonably straight. Yeah, and we got a ton of rust everywhere. So there you go, that's my day. Thanks for tuning in.
A few moments later.
Gee, I thought I was done with this one, but we've now got a new world record holder for barrel arbor wear. Check this one out. Look at that. That's pretty incredible. That's a lot. That's a lot of wear. Yeah. So what would happen there is that the barrel, you can see here, and yeah, my lighting's not great today. You can see there that the barrel, hang on, I'll just have to reposition it a bit. There we go, that might be a bit better. So yeah, you can see there the barrel has got that much slop in it that it's going to hit the fourth wheel. So you can see there. Now obviously the top plate's not on here, so it's got a bit of slop on it, but let me just jack this up a touch. There we go. So this is why it's so bad. I mean, if this top plate was on, that would be a little bit lower, and the corner of the barrel there is going to touch the fourth wheel. So you have to just have the watch on its side or something. Okay, we'll just see if we can get that in again. You can see there, with that amount of slop in it, it's actually going to touch that gear there. Because that's, like I said before, that's lower usually. So yeah, that's some pretty serious arbor wear. I have not ever seen one that sloppy. I mean, even from the top, if you look at it this way. I mean, check that. I mean, that's top and bottom. This is why I say to people, you got to do both, because once the bottom wears, it just chews into the top. And you can see there, so I've got a different pointer. You can see there, so that's actually chewed into the plate. And you can see around the corner here, you can see a ring just around the circumference of the barrel. You can see a ring where it's just chewed it out. So what I might do, just while we've got this here, and I've got a little bit of battery left on this camera, we'll just take the top plate off and just see what's under there. And because it's only held on by 2 screws, I could do that very quickly. And they were both loose, by the way. So we'll just get that off, and we'll take the fourth wheel, well that's the center wheel and fourth wheel, we'll take that out. Just take this guy off here. And in this thing it was just dripping with oil. The oil was either everywhere or nowhere in this thing. It's just crap. And the oil's got a smell like cosmoline. So anyone that deals with firearms will know that smell, but it's some sort of weird mineral oil which shouldn't have been used in there. So if you look under there, I'll just get this out of the way as well. So if you look under there, I mean that, you can see there that's like massively chewed out. So just that arbor there, you can actually see the depth of it. Yeah, check that out. That's actually chewed a step into the plate. Alright, so this is why I do the barrel arbor repair on every one of these, because eventually every one of these is going to look like that. And just a totally shameless plug, I don't even care. I've just had the arbor jewels restocked, so selling them as a pair. And I'll put the link to my eBay store on the bottom or in the description of this video. So if you want to get some sets of those, I do them now in either singles or quarter, half and full dozens, any way you want them. Yeah, so I've just recently got a restock, got hundreds of the things, and that is what they're designed to fix. So I'll leave that video there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.